Time slips through our hands like grains of sand, never to return. These are the valuable lines from the book The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. You might have seen many videos or read many blogs on time management, but does that really work? Think about it. In this video, I'm not just going to talk about time management, but about time mastery. Time mastery is the principle to become master of your time, which means that you make it a part of your routine such that it comes naturally to you. If you inculcate time mastery, you will never have to worry about managing your time. Watch this video till the end because the last point holds a very important technique of time mastery. Privileged or non-privileged, we all have been allotted 24 hours every day. What you do in those 24 hours, how you utilize those 24 hours tells how efficient you are in managing your time. In this video, I'm going to tell you 6 steps of time mastery. Number 1, plan your day, week well. It is rightly said, if you are failing to plan, you are actually making a plan to fail. If you want your day to be productive, plan it well ahead in time. You just need to take out 10 minutes the night before to plan out your day, or 1 quiet hour on a Sunday to plan out the entire week. When you know what you have to do in a day beforehand, you will be well prepared and you can carry out the tasks one after the other. Number 2, prioritize. The second logical step which comes in is prioritizing. When you have a list of tasks, you need to prioritize as per the importance what tasks should be done first, and then finish up your tasks one by one in order of priority. Keep one thing in mind, that you always have to do the most important things and not the urgent ones first. When you do the important things, you will feel that more work is done and you will feel productive. But people usually start doing the urgent things first and they lose track of time, and the most important things are left behind. You don't have to do that. You have to do the important things as per your plan. Number 3, focus. Now you have the list of work you need to do and you have the priority in which you need to get the tasks done. But are you able to focus on your priorities? Focus on your current work and dedicate yourself completely to that at the present moment. Keep all distractions away like the phone. Like when I record videos, I turn off the phone and I record in quiet hours so that my work is focused. Number 4, learn to say no. It is so important to say a clear but respectful no when you are not in a state to help out the other person. For instance, consider an office situation where people keep asking for your help, but if you keep doing that, then when would you finish your work? You need to give yourself some quiet hours when no one can disturb you. Having the courage to say no to the small things gives you the power to say yes to the big things in life. Number 5, so important, don't waste your time. Doesn't it seem obvious that if you have to master your time, if you have to manage your time, you don't have to waste your time? But wait. The moment you finish an important task, you feel tempted to waste your time, to do something that actually wastes your time, and you start doing that and you lose track of your time. It is also important to understand what is waste of time and what is actually refueling or re-energizing yourself. Many people are in a rush and are always busy. They consider if they exercise or spend time with family or in nature, they are actually wasting time. But these are high impact activities and they will actually refresh your mind and make it more productive. Number 6, this is the most important point, ancient rule of 20. To master your time, you need to utilize completely the ancient rule of 20. So what is it? It says 80% of the results achieved come from 20% of the activities in our life. These are high impact activities required for any human being to keep them productive and efficient in long run. Remember the high impact activities we talked about in the last point? Like exercising, reading, spending time with your family, spending time in nature. These are the activities which will keep you refreshed and will keep you more active and alert. This is all for today's video. Found it valuable? Hit like and share with your friends. Subscribe to Books and More and click the bell icon, as that will tell you when I upload new videos. Also, send in your comments, suggestions in the comment section. See you soon in my next video. As always, thanks for watching.